I want to let you know how the people in this place get their water. And where is the spring for this water? It's here. Okay. So see, no surrounding bush. Now from this place, the water flows downwards. This is the Mount Delta. Of course, it's joining. It's joining. These are other line. This is another line for water. It's deep here again, right? See it how it look like. The environment is not that bad. So it connects to the main spring down there. This is the joining, the part of the area of that. So, but you won't believe it, because up here the things have changed. And no water, so yeah, stepping, it's called gully erosion. So you see, trees roots, soil erosion has occurred here. Then downwards there. This is where we had our spring of